do have something a little different. I'm going to be trying out a intense keratin treatment on my hair. So I kind of want to tell you guys a little bit about my hair before we get into everything. This is my hair currently. This is natural. I took a shower last night. I let it air dry and I just slept with it pretty wet. And then this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys 360. I haven't brushed it out or anything like that. So I did dye my hair, I want to say a few years back, and it got really damaged and all of that. And of course I like to use my straightener and my curler a few times out of the week. I would say the only days that I'm home is when I don't put any heat on my hair. So as far as that, heat wise, my hair is, I would say, not in the best condition. You know, the ends are very dry and whatnot. I will say though that my hair is kind of slowly getting back to where it was before dyeing my hair and postpartum, because I did lose a lot of hair during and after my pregnancy. So it's still not as thick and full as it used to be, but it's definitely slowly getting back to that. So I'm going to be trying out the Nutri Professional Amazonless Acai and Cacao, the Real Brazilian Keratin little process. So this is what it looks like, and this is a Brazilian brand. So pretty much this is the little box that it comes in, and it comes with 3 contents in it. So they go by steps. So the first step is the anti-residue shampoo. And then we have step number 2, which is the Brazilian smoothing treatment. And last but not least, step number 3 is the intensive repair mask. So this process is a bit long and time consuming, tedious. So we're gonna see as much as we can do because it is earlier in the morning, everyone's asleep. I wanted to do this for myself before I go to school today at 1. It's currently 10. We're gonna see if we can make it. But like I said, my hair is not as thick and full as it was. So hopefully the straightening, blow drying hair time is not as time consuming as it usually is. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about my hair. So this is what it is right now. I'm struggling with a little bit of dandruff, but I'm working on that right now. So this is without combing through. I'm gonna show you guys from the back. Okay, and now let's comb through this. And I do lose quite a bit of hair, as you can see. So let's look at this from the back. Okay, I hope you got. All right, you guys, so the first thing to do is obviously get your pamphlet out. This has all of these steps to the whole process itself. So we're gonna go step by step. So, and then this is targeted for damaged, frizzy, and dull hair, which I do have damaged hair. I do have frizzy hair, and I would say my hair is a bit dull, but not so bad. So yeah, so first we're going to prepare. We're going to wash the hair with the anti-residue shampoo, massaging it into a lather, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then rinse. So I'm gonna go with my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys shampooing it in a second. All right, you guys, now that I have just rinsed my hair, I'm gonna take the step 1 anti-residue shampoo, and I'm going to massage this into onto my hair. Okay, so now that I have done that, I am going to wait 5 minutes and I will be back. Alright, you guys, so now that I have rinsed out my hair, I am going to blow dry it. The next step is to blow dry your hair to up to about 85% dry, and then we will see from there. So now that I have dried my hair to about 85% dry, I'm going to section my hair into 6 equal parts. So I'm going to go like kind of like bottom, middle, and then top in 2 sections each. And then I'm going to apply the step number 2, which is the Brazilian smoothing treatment. And we will go from there. You guys, I look crazy, but I have sectioned off my hair into 6 parts. So now what I'm going to do is go kind of in each layer. So I'm going to start from the bottom layer, go to the middle layer, then to the top layer. I'm going to take my step 2 and I'm going to put it in this little cup so I don't have to keep squeezing it out the tube. I'm just going to put it in here. I'm going to do about half for now. I'm going to put my gloves on and I'm going to take the bottom 2 and apply the treatment. So what you do is within each section, well, I should have just done one. Let me just put it back up. Within each section, you're going to divide that into 2 and then just apply from the top and the bottom, working it into the thing. And you want to use a fine tooth comb to make sure that all the product is in all parts of the hair, but you don't want to oversaturate it. So I'm gonna do that right now. Right, here I go. And then you're just going to repeat this process to the okay. So now once you have applied the product onto your hair, you're going to take your hair dryer on the cool setting and just blow dry that. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to repeat all this process on my whole head and I will be back with you guys. So now that I have cold blow dried my hair, my whole head, I am going to section my hair into 4 parts, and then within each part I'm going to straighten my hair. Yes, I'm going to straighten my hair. So you're gonna go over each section about 8 to 10 times, the straightener, just like that, and then you're gonna repeat the process. And then I will be back. Alright, guys, so now that I have straightened my hair, this is how it looks straight. I just straightened it. The next step is to, believe it or not, rinse your hair again. Yes. So you're gonna rinse the hair. You're gonna apply the 3rd step product, which is the intensive repair mask. And you're going to work it through your hair, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it again. Then finally after that, you blow dry your hair for the last and final time. So I'm going to hop in the shower really quick, rinse it after all this hard work that we have done. Hopefully it'll all be worth it. So I'm going to go do that. Actually, I think I'm going to let you guys watch. So yeah, okay. Okay, you guys, so now that I have rinsed out my hair previously, I applied the 3rd step, which is the intensive repair mask. Then I rinsed that out. So now I am out of the shower, and now it is time to finally blow dry your hair for the last time. So I'm going to start it, then obviously finish it, and then come back and show you guys the final result. Hey guys, so I just finished blow drying my hair and I'm very surprised that it kind of looks as if I straightened it. It looks like how it was before it was straightened. So all in all, I believe this keratin treatment was really good. My hair is super soft and as you can tell, super shiny. And it just feels so much like lighter, like just bouncy. Like, I don't know how to explain it, just so soft. Super excited about it. I love it so much. So now I'm going to compare my before and after. So let's go and do that from the back. Did you guys see a difference? Let me know if you guys saw a difference and if you guys would like to try this. So I will leave their link below, and all the information about this kit was really time consuming but fairly easy for beginner friendly. So as me, I don't really dye my hair that often. I don't really do anything like that, but if you're super savvy in that area, then this would be perfect for you. And if you're looking for something to treat your damaged hair, fix your dullness, or just even, you know, tone down your frizziness, this would definitely be an option for you. So I hope you guys can consider that, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little tutorial step-by-step review. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.